Two of the biggest names in Texas law will serve as lead prosecutors for the upcoming impeachment trial of suspended Attorney General Ken Paxton. High-powered attorneys Dick DeGuerin and Rusty Hardin will present the case on behalf of the House impeachment managers. Both DeGuerin and Hardin are considered icons in their field. They made their name as criminal defense attorneys in high-profile cases. Hardin said he was shocked by the evidence against Paxton.
This is not about a one-time misuse of an office. It's not about a two-time misuse of the office. It's about a pattern of misconduct and use in the office, subjecting to people who don't have a voice to basically threats and fear that if they come forward, they will pay a big price for it. But we hope and pray that this will be a process that allows the public to fully examine everything. And I promise you, it's 10 times worse than has been public, and that is you think.
6 attorneys from the AG's office announced they would take leaves of absence to help defend Paxton. Paxton has denied any wrongdoing and calls the impeachment a political sham. DeGuerin emphasized that it's not political and that the process needs to be open and transparent.
We want to bring fairness, which we lawyers call due process, to this procedure. The jurors will be the senators in the Texas Senate, and they will be presided over fairly. We want the accused, Mr. Paxton, to be able to call witnesses in his own behalf. We want him to have a lawyer or a set of lawyers representing him. We want them to be able to cross-examine our witnesses who will be sworn, and all the witnesses should be sworn and under oath.
The Texas Senate will set the rules for the trial. The date has not been determined, but Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick did say it will start no later than August 28th. There is still no word on whether Paxton's wife, State Senator Angela Paxton, will recuse herself. But back to Hardin and DeGuerin, they've been part of several high-profile cases as defense attorneys. In 1994, DeGuerin successfully defended then-Senator Kay Bailey Hutchison on misconduct charges. In 2005, he defended Texas Congressman Tom DeLay when he faced money laundering and conspiracy charges. DeLay was found guilty, but an appeals court overturned the conviction. And in 2003, DeGuerin defended Robert Durst, the multimillionaire admitted to killing his neighbor in Galveston. DeGuerin used a self-defense argument and won. Hardin also has several high-profile cases under his belt. In 2008, he defended star baseball pitcher Roger Clemens against charges that he lied to Congress during a hearing on performance-enhancing drugs in Major League Baseball. Clemens was found not guilty on all counts. Hardin also defended NFL quarterback Deshaun Watson against several civil suits accusing him of sexual assault. Most of those lawsuits have been settled. And remember the marriage between Playboy model Anna Nicole Smith and 89-year-old Texas millionaire J. Howard Marshall? Hardin represented the Marshall estate. A jury found the estate owed Smith nothing as his widow. The final days of the regular session brought a rush to finish work at the Capitol. We're tracking several bills sparked by our investigations, how last-minute action by lawmakers pushed some closer to becoming law.
This form of race-based discrimination is real. It is insidious, and it is still happening today.
Texas will soon have a new law banning discrimination based on certain hairstyles. How one student's experience helped bring attention to the legislation.